I am Mara and this is Store Pulse, a retail analytics tool built for OpenAI Build Week. It takes messy sales data from Walmart and turns it into clean reports and a smart dashboard using Python and AI.
Hi, my name is Kansa Ahmed. Behind the scene, a Python ETL pipeline reads three raw data files, one to store weekly sales and store details and economic factors like fuel, prices, and unemployment. First of all, we will extract data from raw data files from these input files. Then we will transform it. In transformation, we will handle missing values, remove duplication, then we will validate it against the schema so that we can catch error before the cost problem. And then finally, we will load it into our Supabase PostgreSQL database. Pipeline log will help us to maintain the record of what rows were added, what were removed or replaced. This pipeline will store one JSON entry for every run in this file. It will also store it in our database. All the previous run record are also stored in this pipeline logs file.
Hello everyone, my name is Farhan and I will be presenting further. Let me show you the dashboard which has 5 tabs. Overview shows that live KPIs and a weekly sales trend across all 45 stores. If we plot the sales over time, then we can see clear spikes around the holiday season. Let's move on to the store performance where we have breakdown sales by store type, size and rank scorecard. Let's move on to the third tab, which is the department performance that highlights the top and bottom performers so you can spot which department are carrying the business. Lastly, we have the trends and external factors where which shows the holiday sales lift, seasonality by week of year, and correlation with temperature, fuel price, CPI, and unemployment, all filtered live from the sidebar.
Now for my favorite part, this last tab of Store Pulse, which is powered by GPT 5.6. It generates quick summaries and lets you ask questions directly about the data on your screen. To keep it super fast and cost effective, we don't send raw data to the AI, we just send a compact summary. For example, if I ask how do holidays affect sales, it gives us a clear answer based strictly on the real numbers in front of us, as you can see over here.
We actually built this whole project with the help of Codex. It helped us set up the data pipeline, structure the dashboard, and troubleshoot tricky bugs like catching problems and Streamlit formatting issues.
So that's Store Pulse. Thank you so much for watching.